The only hope we have, and significant hope, is the vaccine arriving. And that does give us an opportunity to change our decision making over time, because hopefully we will be able to vaccinate those who are most at risk in relation to death or to illness.
This is and the 10,000 doses are arriving in the next couple of days. Is that right?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, from Pfizer-BioNTech.
And do you know what's going to be in the next batch and when it will arrive?
The HSE will be getting various batches. They're in discussions with Pfizer in relation to that. But it will be, as I've said consistently, the volumes are low enough in terms of January and February, but we will be working initially in terms of residential homes and healthcare workers. I was just discussing with the President of the European Commission last evening. They pick up significantly in March, April and May. So we will be in a position in March, April and May to be doing a higher level of vaccinations. The Moderna vaccine will also be coming on stream early. We'll be getting authorization early in January. But again, that could be ready for deployment by the end of January.
Okay, so
each manufacturer has different...
So fairly low stocks until March, being realistic about it.
Well, I think we'll be concentrating in January and February on the nursing home sector and the healthcare sector.